Hi guys, Anees Shaikh from Mumbai. I am currently working in LTI and I recently got associated with ATA. So, ATA GTR 2020 is going to be the first conference from ATA which I am going to attend and I'm going to contribute to as a volunteer. I have attended several other conferences and I see these conferences give us good opportunity to grow our professional network, plus we get introduction to new topics and what is going on in current industry. So I request you guys to please do join ATA GTR 2020 and hope to see you guys there. Thank you.